I'm gonna walk around. The tornado's gonna go right on top of Joplin. That's where I live. I'm walking around my house. It's really dark. It's starting to rain, Daddy. Oh man, it's starting to rain. It's getting really windy, and it's a lot of lightning and thunder. And it's starting to rain. This is the worst I've ever seen it. Pray that we'll survive. It's getting darker and darker. The tornado's getting on the yellow spot on Joplin. And it's getting really windy. I hope a tornado doesn't come. It looks even more scarier in real life. It's starting to rain really hard.